Ki pulit ka Meghalaya kila pentik na baka Sonam Raghuvanshi ka basya ka no ban peniap ya ulok jongka u Raja Raghuvanshi kam syam lapun khun. Kani ka jing pensyai ka wan pedeng ka jing kentok ka balasa priang bha haki social media. USP Vivek im ula pentip bala penlong ya ka examine ka babenia ha Ganesh Das Hospital. Ka pregnancy test kalong negatif on sa lep biang hadian arpusaw kunta na kabenta ka jing tikna ha kaliang ka koy ka khia ulaong. Ya kani ka test la penlong na mar ka jing shngan ha ka koy ka khia kalong ka bakong san ha ka jing tokit ki pulit. Ya ki sangut ki shinrang ki basya keno la examine ha Sardar Police Station. Ha ka bayadei bat ka jing syong suk syong san une uhe pulit ulaong bakila shym ya baro ki sinjam bantem ya kino ki jing klumar. Ula penpau ru baki nong syong shnong ka Sohra kim dei ki nong tau klumar. Namar badang shen ulawan sya kani ka jaka bat wat ha pedeng ki jing keno klem nong rim ki nong syong shnong ki la ai ka jing iatreilang bat yarap ya ki pulit ban wat ya uraja bat beteng ru ban ai ki lat jing tip bat shet tiu ya ka khun search and rescue team.
Yesterday, a thorough checkup was done in the Ganesh Das Hospital. So they had done a check on the pregnancy, and it appears negative. But again, they will recheck her. I think after the 24th.
Because there is a deviation from taking them to civil hospital. So what is the reason?
No, not them. Just her only. Because Ganesh Das Women-Related Hospital, it's neonatal treatment is out there. So it was the best of things that we have taken at Ganesh Das. The other four are actually examined by a registered doctor only.
So is there only?
Yeah.
In the Syllad police
station. Because we've got the registered doctor, police registered doctor only to examine them. Any registered government registered medical officer. People of Sohra are not violent, and even like I said earlier also, when there was such negative narrative, yet they continued to help in the search. They continued to help in providing information. They cooperated. They cooked food for the search team and all that. And so I don't see any threat. But nonetheless, police will just take preventive measures.